All right, so today I am going to be talking about my 5 income streams. All right, so before we get started, for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Mac and I'm an online entrepreneur. So let's start off with number 1. So my main income stream was affiliate marketing. So last year, in fact, going back about 3-4 years, I started off with affiliate marketing. And the reason why I went into that was I decided, since I'm already making videos on YouTube showing people how to use the tools that I already use, I might as well make money with it. And to be honest, it worked very, 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 very well. In fact, till today, it is quite close, you know, when you compare with the courses, which I'll talk to in a few moments. But affiliate marketing has really, really done well for me. Now, if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, I would highly suggest you first build an audience. And what really works is a YouTube channel, because if you start going the blogging way, yes, it's good to write articles, but it's harder to rank with articles than it is with video. So if you don't know this, YouTube is also a search engine. So you can create search-based content, which then has pointers to your affiliate links. So the tools that I promote on my YouTube channel in regards to affiliate marketing are Divi, Wishlist Member, Buddy Boss, LearnDash, Fluent CRM, and so on. So all these products, I actually use them, and I've pretty much taught myself how to use them inside out. So if you want to go into affiliate marketing, then like I said, you need to create a YouTube channel, and then you want to think about products that you can promote within that niche. Okay, moving on to the second one, and this is the Divi Templates. So as you can see, I know it's not a lot, but this is better than nothing, but this was almost like an experiment. So this was the Blogger Pro. Okay, this is the template based on Divi. So I created this. It has the landing page. It also has the colors in it. Pretty much it has everything that you need to create a basic blog for your website, but this is based on the Divi theme. So at first when I created this, I didn't think that it would make a lot of money, to be honest, but to have made a total of 2,166, man, that is really good. Also considering that I have not pushed any paid advertising towards this. This was just using my YouTube channel and my mailing list. So I'm really cool with that. But in the future, when I create more templates and themes, I am going to be learning how to do paid advertising. Okay, so moving on, let's talk about the courses. Now, this came as a very massive surprise last year because I decided to start selling my courses in a serious way, because what I was doing before, I was giving my courses as bonuses to people that buy my products that I recommend on my YouTube channel. And this worked really well. But when I started selling them separately, it made quite a lot of money. And to be honest, last year, I made more money with the courses as compared to the affiliate marketing. And again, I did not use any paid advertising. So this is something that I'll be experimenting this year. And to be honest, so far, it has been disastrous. You know, I haven't been able to really work it out. So I really need to improve on my landing pages and my funnels to really make this work. So moving on, this is number 4, and number 4 is my membership. So I also have a membership on funnelstoincome.com, and this is a monthly membership, which is about $19 per month. So this monthly membership basically gives you access to pretty much everything. It gives you access to all my courses. It gives you access to all my live training, all my templates, which I've just mentioned a few moments ago. So basically you get everything on the site as long as your membership is active. So behind the scenes, I really have to work hard and make sure that I'm adding fresh content on my site to keep all my members in. But this has been working very well. And monthly, it gives me about $2,000, which is not too bad, to be honest, for the monthly membership. Now, towards last year, in regards to the membership, I also added a lifetime membership. And to be honest, people bought this like hotcakes. It was just crazy. So the membership is a solid income earner for me. So I am going to continue doing this as well. Now let's move on to the next one, and this is the Google ads. So on my YouTube channel, I've partnered with Google, so they also pay me for all the ads they play on my videos. And to be honest, it's really consistent. The only thing that's really frustrating is if you don't really produce a lot of content, then the income does not really increase. Like what I've noticed in my case is the income has started going down as soon as I stopped publishing a lot of content. So I guess maybe it's one of those things where if you want to really keep on making money, you have to continue making a lot of courses. I'm not sure if you've noticed this, but I am producing a video a day on my YouTube channel. So it is very tiring, but to be honest, it is bringing a lot of money in, so it's work that I don't mind doing. So these are my 5 income streams. I'm also going to be experimenting with paid videos. So I would like to work with other companies where I can create some tutorials based on their products, and then in return, I get paid for that. So that's something that I think has potential, but I will not be really making it my main source of income, because I don't really like my YouTube channel to become like an advertisement. I really want to, teach people about how to use the products that I use in order for them to be successful online. So yeah, these are my 5 income streams. I would highly recommend that you start with perhaps even maybe one of these. But the key point is, if you really want to be successful with any one of these, you got to have an audience. So creating content, basically there's no way around this. You have to create content online, giving people a lot of value. Like in my case, I pretty much teach everything, on my YouTube channel. So when you put your content out there, people are going to really enjoy it. And when then you say, look, I have a program going on, or I recommend this product, it's much easier for them to take action on that, because they already know you from the videos that you produce for free, basically. So you're giving a lot of knowledge for free, and in return, they will use your affiliate marketing links that you recommend to them. But I'm not saying every single one of them is going to take action, but if you grow your audience well and you have a really good niche, what happens is, even if 1% or 2% buys, this is enough money, to keep you going. And to be honest, in my situation right now, this has become my main business. So everything now is just based online. It doesn't have a lot of overheads. I know sometimes I go crazy with the gear, but pretty much, once you get your gear ready, it's just you just have to be on camera creating all this good content, and people are going to follow you. Remember, people love entertainment, and if they like how you produce your work and how you create your videos, they are definitely going to follow you and support you in what you do. All right, guys, I thought I'll share this with you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.